Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Dunkin Donuts account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Dunkin Donuts account, firstly open your Google search. Type in Dunkin Donuts login and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the first link shown on the page. It will take you to the login page of Dunkin Donuts. Enter your email address and password associated with your Dunkin Donuts account and tap on Sign In. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Your Password. This is how you can sign into your Dunkin Donuts account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.